Well, Miss 5-year-old Baker is ready to bake some what?
Peanut butter cookies.
All right.
So, hello guys. So, we're going to make a peanut butter cookie. So, Grandma Charlotte is going to help me make it.
Okay. So the first thing you want to do is pour the mix in the bowl. You've already washed your hands, right?
You're always supposed to wash your hands.
Go for that, Aiden.
Whoa.
All of it.
All of it?
Mm-hmm.
Go put it in the trash.
Now we're going to go put it inside the trash.
She is proper. That she will be.
Okay, so the second thing you're going to need is some vegetables. Whoa. I think I already cracked it.
Crack what?
The egg.
You sure did. Go get another one right quick. We'll deal with that in a minute.
Where's another egg? Oh, here's one.
Well, hands are a little
We got
swift,
plenty eggs.
so
Look what I found.
So guys, I didn't mean to do that. That was just
you gotta
on
talk
egg.
when you're in front of right here. So now say it.
No, I didn't see that. Now you're gonna have to add some vegetable oil.
So the vegetable oil, you're gonna put 3 tops of vegetable oil. I mean,
Yes.
2 tops. 2 tops.
2 tops of
Pour
vegetable oil.
pour oil in there and then put it in there.
A little bit.
Go my floor.
Hold it straight, Aiden. I forgot you was left-handed. Pour it in there.
She dropped.
Now you're gonna have to pour it in there.
Put another top.
Bring that around here a little bit. Look. See that on the floor right there? On the floor.
Now you're gonna have to put 3 tops.
Now put the top back on there.
Now you're gonna put the top back on.
And the spoon that you dropped,
Can I have
go
it?
get it and rinse it off.
Okay.
Hello.
Excuse me, Papa.
Thank you. Reverend and Mrs. Muse.
Papa.
Hey,
now
how
I'm
about that?
playing the ball.
Uh-oh, I done broke into her.
Well, excuse us for the crying in the background. Miss Thang wants to play with the metal. That's Miss Charlie. Want to see her? Charlie! Charlie! We're going to make some peanut butter cookies.
Here's a bill we didn't pay.
Okay,
Utility
so-
bill.
I'm going to mix it up like this. So mix it up.
Looks like it should be in,
Give me water, Aiden.
should be went to the
Water.
mailbox today.
Move, girl. So first you're gonna have to get a cup and put water. First you're gonna have to have a. First you're gonna have to have a cup and then you have to put water.
Now what?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Give us up here.
We're going to shy your toe.
Give us a snack.
What kind of snacks?
Open the can.
Now you're gonna have to pour it in.
How much? You got to know how much water to put in. 3 tablespoons.
Another full can.
So
Oh, man.
let me do the water because you don't have
Yeah.
anything to measure it with.
Oh,
You have to have
yeah.
a tablespoon.
That's 2 most of it. I don't know what the count is.
And then after you put the water in, then you're gonna mix it up. Now you mix it up. Now after you mix it up,
Look.
you're gonna have to
Look.
put the egg in.
Now settle down. Like give her a can too.
Take all of the mix of the peanut butter mix, and then just stir it up with the
I don't want to
rest.
throw them all out. So
Ada, you need to hold the bowl while you stir.
got that? Oh, this throw it away. Just,
Put that up, Mama.
you put it in that side of the thing.
Okay, you want to put the egg in there?
And then draw it
Now
in.
you're gonna have to put the egg in.
Go
Can you
back.
crack that? Please don't put any shells in there.
So hold it.
That's alright.
The thing at the
Where can I
bottom.
put it?
Just put it right there for now.
Let's take the shells out.
You want more?
There we go.
Was there another one in there?
No.
Yeah.
You sure?
I told you
Yeah.
you can't bust eggs. You got to bust eggs in something else.
You got it?
Watch.
Hold the bowl, Aiden.
Now you're gonna mix it up with the eggs.
And you got to get the egg out the floor.
That was a big egg.
Pretty good? Now what am I doing?
She's left-handed. You
No.
can tell she's...
Let her eat till she won't
Comment
eat
down
something.
below
Come
what
on, put it
is
down, let
your
her eat. You
favorite
got to give it to
treat
her.
when
Give it to her.
you make.
If you pull that thing back,
It'll be open. Get you one.
Now it's gonna look like peanut butter. Look at that. It's gonna look like peanut butter.
Where's the top today?
Eight, seven, four.
Call from 281-874-5.
Now that you have your peanut
it's out of
butter,
air. I don't know what it is.
now
What?
Down the top.
we're gonna have to do something.
Hello.
So I'll see you when I get through, okay?
Hello.